Good morning, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful day. Hey guys. So I've been out here in the mountain, camped outside of the little Cherry town called Cherry here. Um, it's pretty great. Just on the other side of the Verde Valley. I guess I'm more coming out of the area that I'm at. I'm more in the Prescott Valley, but that's not too bad. I just scoot around a couple mountain passes and we're in a different valley. It's pretty crazy out here. Beautiful spots, guys. Beautiful spot. Really enjoying this area here. So they are doing prescribed burns in the forest here, and they've been doing it all week. Today is Sunday. Beautiful Sunday. So yeah, they've been doing these prescribed burns, and I think they're a lot deeper in the woods, in the mountains, than where I'm currently located. So it hasn't been too much of a bother. But excuse me. But I think they'll be moving through. I checked. They got an information board at the beginning of the entry of this road here, and checked the data or whatever they're saying there, and they definitely have it set up to be all of this forest and mountain area that they're trying to prescribe burn. So at some point they will be here. So I got a couple other spots. I've only been here about a week. I'd love to stay a little longer, but I think I'm gonna try to head out sometime next week. I don't move on the weekends. I try to avoid all that because the roads are a lot busier. Monday, Tuesdays are my days to kind of travel around. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. Got some cool stuff happening out here. Definitely in a really beautiful spot, guys. There's so much hiking and nature around here. It's just beautiful. Saw a couple mule deers the other day. Just stepped outside the camper right there, and they kind of spooked them. I should have come out a little slower, but I got to see them, and they leaped off. That was kind of cool. Haven't seen much else out here. I mean, lots and lots of birds. A couple squirrels. Lizards. Lizards are hard to see, but you can normally hear them scurrying away if you can then spot where they're at after that. Yeah, man, been pretty cool out here. Did enjoy a little fire. It's been really freaking hot or dry and windy, so they have been kind of saying no burns. So I've been sticking to that. But yeah, love you guys. Thanks for watching. swear this guy's been fouled. I already told him I don't have much for him. Just a little bit of love and respect, but pretty sweet spot. Fortunately, it's pretty windy kind of right now. And it just keeps spinning me backwards. Trying to power through these little islands out here, just rock islands. Oh, there he is. Bro, I love you. Oh, I'm just getting whipped around. Oh. Stop it. And we're spinning around again. It's making for some great pan shots, though, I tell you what. This guy, I tell ya. Come on. I love you. Now just leave me alone, please. Yeah. What do you want from me? on that mountain. It's coming. I didn't want to, but this kind of weather the next couple days, kind of had to. Well, that would appear to be it, perhaps. It looks pretty nice coming up over the hill now. Cool. Okay guys, so some of you might be wondering why I just changed the tires or swapped them around on my trailer. And a few weeks back I came across an issue, and you can kind of see, I'll show you the tire. It's like rubs a little weird on the one side. Long story short, the trailer axle was a little bit tweaked and I had to get a new trailer axle and fixed it all up. And I needed to grease up the axles. And while I was doing that, I thought, you know, let's take that right side tire off. It's kind of the worst one, and it would ride in the ditch and all that. And I figured it might fare a little better out in the middle of the road. So I just swapped the two tires around, kind of rotated them and greased the hubs up. And everything seems to be looking good. So now I got a brand new trailer axle straight. Everything's fine, so I don't think I'll have any problems with that tire rubbing. And it's a brand new tire. It just ran weird. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Hopefully I can kind of milk some more time out of it, because I'd hate to have to get a whole nother new tire right away. But hey, we'll have to do what we gotta do sometimes. So yeah, I just had a little project out here in the middle of the woods. You know, sometimes you gotta do stuff like that, and And I guess no place better than this, huh? I got a couple tools with me, so it makes projects like this not too bad. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. Love you. Peace. All right, guys, we are hitched up, getting ready to head out of this spot here. The Mountain Woods camp has been pretty awesome. I am currently thinking of heading a little bit more north, probably going up to Sedona, Flagstaff type of space. So that's my plan right now. Just got hitched up and we're about ready to head out. So let's see where the next adventure goes. Much love. See you guys. Okay, I got a new spot. This is a little bit different than up in the woods. I'm kind of out here in the valley now. Kind of a sweet spot. Didn't make it too far, but still pretty close to like Sedona, Cottonwood, that kind of stuff. If you can tell, right there is Montezuma's well. So that's pretty cool. I gotta go check that place out again. There's another big like park just across the way from me here too, which is like Beaver Creek area or something like that. So I'm gonna go check that out because that looks pretty cool. Might see some more desert oases, however you want to call it. But yeah, I think I got a new spot. We're going to be set up pretty well. This should go for another 2 weeks, I would say, out here. Gonna have some good sun. Today's looking like it might rain and whatnot, so I don't know, we'll see what happens, but it's kind of clearing up. I saw rain, but I think it's on the other side of the mountains. I saw it when I was coming down through the mountain pass from my old site. So we're gonna post up and see how it goes and do some exploring around here. Cool. Take it easy.